Hey, how nice that you're watching this video. It's almost Mother's Day, and that's the perfect time to make something crafty for your mom or for a mother figure in your life. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cute little gift box like this, with a small compartment inside where you can put, for example, chocolates or a small present. So let's get started right away with what you'll need for this project. For this project, you will need a paper cutter, cardstock in different colors, a label punch, a scalloped oval, an oval, and a butterfly, glue, and satin ribbon. To start, place the colored cardstock on your paper cutter. The cardstock we're using is 30.5 by 30.5 centimeters or 12 by 12 inches. So you no longer need to cut this and the long side. Cut the short side at 2.5 inches. After you've done this, score the strip on both sides at 7 inches. Next, punch both ends with your label punch. Now fold the strip you just punched slightly in half. Now we're going to make the tray for inside the box. For this, cut a sheet to 6 by 6 inches. Score it horizontally and vertically at 2 and 4 inches. Now cut into the 4 sides. I'm now adding glue and assembling the tray. Now add glue to your strip and place the tray on top. Let it dry thoroughly for a moment. For extra sturdiness, also add glue to the front and back of the tray. Now we're going to decorate. For this tray, we first punch out a scalloped oval. I do this with a dark blue cardstock. Next, we punch out a white oval. Finally, we punch out a butterfly from pink cardstock. Use foam tape to stick the white oval onto the scalloped oval. Then, using foam tape, attach the butterfly to your white oval. Secure it. Add glue to the scalloped oval and stick it onto the box. Thread the satin ribbon through the holes in the labels. And that's how you make a super cute gift box for Mother's Day. All the items I used are listed here in the description below this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.